A sworn written statement charging a person with an offense subscribed by the offended party, any peace officer, or other public officer charged with the enforcement of the law violated. A. Subpoena. B. Information. C. Complaint. D. Writ. Answer C. Complaint. Something that happens outside the sway of our will, and although it comes about through some acts of our will, lies beyond the bounds of humanly foreseeable consequences. A. Fortuitous event. B. Fate. C. Accident. D. Destiny. Answer C. Accident. The quality by which an act may be subscribed to a person as its owner or author. A. Responsibility. B. Duty. C. Guilt. D. Immutability. Answer D. Immutability. One who is deprived completely of reason or discernment and freedom of the will at the time of the commission of the crime. A. Discernment. B. Insanity. C. Epilepsy. D. Imbecility. Answer D. Imbecility. An act which would be an offense against persons or property if it was not for the inherent impossibility of its accomplishment. A. Compound crime. B. Impossible crime. C. Complex crime. D. Accidental crime. Answer B. Impossible crime. Ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. A. Ignorantiae his non excusat. B. Parens patria. C. Res ipsa loquitur. D. Dura lex sed lex. Answer A. Ignorantiae his non excusat. Infanticide is committed by killing a child not more than A. 36 hours. B. 24 hours. C. 48 hours. D. 72 hours. Answer D. 72 hours. An act or omission which is a result of a misapprehension of facts that are voluntary but not intentional. A. Impossible crime. B. Mistake of facts. C. Accidental crime. D. Complex crime. Answer B. Mistake of facts. The revised Penal Code of the Philippines was based on the A. Spanish Penal Code. B. English Penal Code. C. American Penal Code. D. Japanese Penal Code. Answer A. Spanish Penal Code. A question which arises in a case, the resolution of which is the logical antecedent of the issue involved in said case, and the cognizance of which pertains to another tribunal. A. Legal question. B. Juridical question. C. Prejudicial question. D. Judicial question. Answer C. Prejudicial question.